Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the master volume in Poker Night at the inventory. Let's start by opening settings, then navigate to sound settings. Here you can adjust the master volume. This changes the overall volume of the game. So for example, if you set it to 50%, the overall music volume will be also at 50%. You can simply adjust this slider to your liking. I'll leave it at, I don't know, something like 20%. And after I make my changes and you make yours, press the back button. Press it once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.